Very good. So, hindi wala namang problema. Nagkakaintindihan kami. This is how we check. Sample muna, sample. Sample muna, sample. Guys, kayo yung magiging bukrato, ha? Baka kasi nakapwesto na sila, tapos hindi naman sila sumigaw. Or mali yung spelling nila. So, guys, ready? First sample. First sample question. Guys, one more time. Happy birthday to you. Yung mas malakas ka. Happy birthday. Yung babae naman po, na pwede natin ilaban dito, di ba babae? Bagay natin si Marilyn.
Ganda pa, ma'am.
Para mas maganda.
Picture na lang po, ma'am. Picture na lang po. Picture na lang po with the drawing yan. 1, 2, 3. Surprise! Picture na lang, ma'am. 1, 2. Surprise! Picture na lang, picture. Ayan. 1, 2, 3.